Traveling with Zoe, a white Caucasian, is in Jamaica, garrison in an Airbnb, and it causing the internet to go wild. Traveling with Zoe have a matching tattoo with Big P, our friend, in the garrison at Jamaica Kingston. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. We go talk about Zoe. Traveling with Zoe down in a Jamaica. Make we watch this video with Traveling with Zoe. Check it out.
I woke up at the cheapest Airbnb in Kingston and I got ready and went outside to eat breakfast because this Airbnb actually comes with free breakfast every day. The Airbnb host is vegan like me, so that's good. Then I walked for like 15 minutes to go to my friend's ITIL shop. But on the way it started raining, so I sheltered under this tarpaulin for a while. So yeah, I was just at the ITIL shop to talk to my friend who owns it. I wasn't actually there to get food this time. Then I asked some people where to take a Waltham taxi. It was a bit confusing trying to find it, but eventually I got in a Waltham taxi. Then when I got out of the Waltham taxi, I got straight in a car, which technically belongs to a man I have never met before, but basically he's a friend of one of my friends in Trinidad. She's a Rasta and he's a Rasta, and she recommended that I just go and link up with him. So first he drove me up this hill because it had nice views. That was pretty cool. And he picked some plums. Then we went to his house, and to be honest, the plums were really sour. I didn't actually like them. And he gave me some beetroot and ginger juice that he had made. I definitely liked that. Then we went to pick up his daughter from school, and I also went in a pharmacy to get some sunscreen. It was so expensive. You can pause to read the receipt to see how much it was. Then we went back to his house and I cleaned some ackee because he was going to cook. So he made ackee and cabbage and hard food. It was good. I really, really love ackee. Then he really kindly dropped me back home. I did a TikTok live, and then the Airbnb host offered me food and natural juice, and I was like, oh my gosh, don't give me that much, I'm actually full. But he gave me so much, but I ate it all anyways. And then I just got ready for bed and went to bed.
So, guys, that's a video with Traveling with Zoe. To be honest with you guys, I have to talk about this. I listen to what a lot of people have to say. Some people have good things to say. Some people have bad things to say about the situation of she renting an Airbnb in Kingston, which, to be honest, I don't see no problem with she renting an Airbnb in Kingston, because the only reason why she rent that Airbnb is because she have friends in Kingston. Big P is one of her friends, and there's other friends that she have in Kingston, Jamaica, our Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston, Jamaica, yeah, it have it ups and down, it have it garrison, it have it, but to see a Caucasian in a Kingston, Jamaica, Airbnb, meeting with the people, showing out the people, highlighting the people is very good. However, one person said something that really catch my ears, and I go let you all hear what he have to say about what his views is about traveling with Zoe in Jamaica. Take a listen.
Travel with Zoe. What about travel with some other Jamaicans in our real life? So I think we have all seen, everything that's going on with Zoe, and she's staying at Airbnb in downtown Kingston, and she'll go all about the place. But, and she'll promote Jamaica, and also, I think, promoting herself as the type of person who can go in a different area and different ghetto area all around the Caribbean and all this kind of stuff. And, whatever. So the question is, do we or should we, and I think we should be, showing the same type of love to creators on the island? And, shouts to Zoe for what she do, and shall promote Jamaica and all of that. But there are plenty of creators on the island who are showing their daily life. They might try build up them page, build up them little area, show the culture, you know, and them now get the love or the hype or the strength where Zoe get. And Zoe already have a big, massive following in her real life. And a lot of that support is coming from Jamaicans, you know. So the question is, are we supporting our own people as much as we should? Because we should in our real life. We should be collaborating with each other. We should be, trying to open doors for each other. And showing the same kind of love to our Jamaican people as we show to people from other places who dropping off Fiwe Island. That is what I think. What do you think in a real life?
Guys, that's some good words. What he's simple saying is, yes, traveling with Zoe is in a Jamaica, down in the garrison. However, what happened to the other content creators? Why the same thing, the same energy cannot go to the Jamaican content creator? Why the collab cannot happen the same way? There is content creators in Jamaica that collab with each other. Not many though. Not many. You have I can't remember them name, but I can't remember everybody's name right now. But you have couple content creator who collab. Jezebel collab with a bunch of people. Me see Junior Lifestyle, Junior Fish, Spearfishing Lifestyle. Me see him collab with a couple people. Collar Smith collab with a couple people. Who again? Um, who again? Tiffany and Raj collab with a couple people. Um, there's a couple people out there who collab with each other. However, it should be a lot more still, where people collab with each other and reach out with each other and try to push the country a little bit more, Not saying, well, tourist board now pay you and tourist board now do this. It's your country and you have all right to support your country by putting out videos and making videos. However, what traveling with Zoe is doing, to be honest with you, it's a fresh, a breath of fresh air to say uh, a Caucasian go down in the garrison and doing those kind of videos, um, eating at those real original yard Jamaica, cook shop. Me used to love to eat a cook shop because cook shop food does hit different. It right. So she experienced Jamaica the way that many Jamaicans wouldn't. To be honest with you, the way Zoe traveling with Zoe experiencing Jamaica, many Jamaican will never. Let's be honest. Many Jamaican will never experience Jamaica that way. So a lot of Jamaicans will support her because what she's doing, them will not do that. And we have to be honest with ourselves. I don't know if me saying this is an issue or but a Jamaican doing the same thing like what Zoe is doing would not get that same reflection. Yeah, if it was a Jamaican band that goes down there and rent that Airbnb and doing the same thing that Zoe is doing, they would not be getting that same applause. They wouldn't be getting that same reflection from what she's getting. They're hyping her up very much because of what she did. Even she's getting a lot of interview and a lot of Jamaican podcasts, which, to be honest, I have never heard about those podcasts at all. Now I know about them because I watch the Traveling with Zoe and I see all these podcasts and all these talk shows. However, I have never seen any of these talk shows with any Jamaican content creator and them. I could watch a couple more videos of Zoe down in Trenchtown, Kingston, and Garrison. I could watch a couple more videos.
This is my impression of certain men in downtown Kingston when I walk past them with this on my neck. Yo, sexy white, me like the icky on your neck. Babes, that's the icky on your neck. Me like it. The icky on your neck, it fit your mama. Guys, you know something I find so crazy in Jamaica, yeah? So Jamaican people have been blessed with arguably the sexiest accent in the world, definitely in my opinion, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people share my opinion about that, right? And yet, so many times when Jamaican men talk to me like on the street or whatever, even though they have been blessed with the sexiest accent in the world, they come and they talk in a fake American or English accent. Do you realise you could literally stand there and talk about something as boring as how to spread butter on toast in your actual accent and it would still sound sexy, but instead you want to be like, nice to meet you. I am here in Trenchtown at Tasty Light, a new locally owned, black owned, woman owned business. Love to see it. I'm with the owner.
Hi, I'm Kanuke, the head cook and bottle washer.
So today she has given me 3 things to try.
This is our soursop power smoothie. It has soursop, spirulina, pineapple, a bit of ginger, coconut water as the base. Cold pressed juice. No, this has cucumber, pineapple, green apple, and kiwi. No sugar, no water, real fruits, real ingredients. So this wellness shot I just curated just for Zoe because she doesn't do honey. So it's a spill off from our hot shot. So this is orange, ginger, cayenne pepper, black seed oil, and lemon juice.
I was confident with that one. Is that actually like sweet?
Yes, guys. So you see, Traveling with Zoe, she's doing her thing. And to be honest, Jamaica is not the only place she have visit. She visit a lot of the Caribbean islands, Trinidad and Tobago. She visit a lot of places. So that's her thing that she's doing, visiting country. And when she visit, she don't just visit and go in the top of the line or the high quality places. She go in the ghettos, or in other words, the poor areas of every country. That's what I realize she's doing because I watch a couple of her video because I need to know a little about her before I make this video. So what she do? She go into a country and she map out. As a matter of fact, before she go into that country, she map out a few places that she want to go and want to talk about, and then she go in. I realize that what she do too is she always try to find people. Which she use a word in one of her video and says she have a man in every country she go. I'm not saying I don't know if it's a man that is a relationship or is just a man that she have there to carry her around or is a person who is her friend. That I don't know, and I won't speculate on what she do with her business. That's her business. However, she said something that really catch me. And to be honest with you, It's really correct. It's really correct. We as Jamaican have the best voice, and should I say what she says? She says Jamaicans have the sexiest voice. Yet still, when the Jamaican talk to her, they're talking fake American language, fake British accent. Come on now, Jamaicans. Come on now. I hear it a lot. Me hear it enough. Yes, me hear it all the while. You hear Jamaicans are trying to talk like another person. Then you have foreign people talking like us Jamaican, trying to talk like us Jamaican. Do you know how important the language Patois is? Do you know how powerful Patois is? Let me tell you. When I go anywhere, I may open my mouth, precious gem. When me open my mouth and start to talk, you Jamaican. That's the first instinct. You Jamaican. Or where the accent is. What kind of accent is that? Are you Jamaican? Yeah, that's it. So when you go somewhere, talk like Jamaican. Stop talk like you're born America, or you are English, or you are Canadian, or you are something like talk like you're Jamaica. Walk on my brethren. Yes, I think that was very good of her to say. And to be honest with you, she said on our video, not even caring of anybody go say anything. So again, she brave. She she just a go and do her thing. However, guys, we should use this traveling with Zoe as an example that we need to support our own content creators. We need to support our own content creator who is in Jamaica, because most of us, like me, I tell you the truth, I wish I was in Jamaica daily. Yes, I wish I was in Jamaica daily, because I would have so much content of my beautiful home called Jamaica, land of wood and water. I may live outside of Jamaica, but Jamaica is my home. My birth certificate have nothing else on it more than born in Jamaica. So me personally live in the US, but I am and will forever be a Jamaican, because my passport may say something different, but my age paper, the birth certificate, said one thing: born in Jamaica, Jamaica, the West Indies, the island of wood and water, and the only flag in the world, the whole wide world, that does not, do not, cannot, will not carry white and blue. Jamaica flag is the only flag in the world that don't have white and blue. That should say something to each and every one of you. That should tell you how different we as Jamaicans is, because we no follow. Look at that. Black is for the people, green is for the grass, yellow is for the sunshine. My little sunshine, my little sunshine. You don't know Jamaica, the land of food and water. Enough respect, my viewers and subscribers. Until the next video, I'm out. Go out. Support. You can go and go support Traveling with Zoe. Support Drizzy Burke, Collar Smith. Who again? Who again? Who again? Me not call a name, because then so much. Go out and support all content creators. But before we go support them, support me. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, thumbs up the video. Give me a thumbs up, man. Give me about 1,000 thumbs up, man. I don't want to go on so. 1,000 people watch the video. I want to know thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video, like the video, share the video, watch the ads. And if you're there on your phone, hype up the video. Make YouTube push the video far. Enough respect. Down at downtown Kingston, Trenchtown, Anatown, Papine, Spainland. That's a Spanish town still, you know. Tivoli, where we call it. Everywhere. Orange Street, Orange. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to each and every one of you down in a town Kingston there. Because you don't know. The vibes is the vibes. The place is the place. Jamaica is the land of food and water. I'm out. Bye-bye.
So I'm back at Imperial Kish Inn and Idol Shop in Coronation Market, and this time he's letting me in his kitchen.
That is right.
So you want to show me what you've cooked today so far?
Alright, follow me.
Okay.
So we got some rice and peas. And this is like cow peas, not just in the regular red peas.
Oh, okay.
And then right here we have some black eyed peas stew.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got some veggie chunks.
Yeah.
But because the last time you was here, you said they like ackee.
Yeah.
So I actually pre-cook some ackee and save it for you to come that you can do the chefing of the ackee.
So we're gonna cook some ackee. So this is just ackee that you cleaned and...
This is ackee that clean, already boiled, and spice up and thing. All it needs to do is just fry up.
Right.
But because this is a vegetarian style and we're not doing any saltfish, we're gonna put some pumpkin and carrot. We already have our onions and tomato and pepper.
Is that good?
That is good. It seems like you know if you do that thing, you know?
Did you get this, did you cut this from a tree?
Actually, cut from a tree, but I wasn't the one who cut it from the tree.
Oh, okay. You
Actually
just bought it.
it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. You have a customer. Oh.
Yeah, and tomato, and then we have already have the scallion and the pepper.
This whole thing?
Just cut off a little piece off it.
Okay. You know, if I touch this with my hand, it will burn for like 24 hours.
That's happened too.
Really? Okay, anything else? The scallions is good or we have to cut it more? Right, so this is the pot.
We're gonna throw some oil in. Not too much because we don't want it too greasy. Put in like the tomato first.
Yeah.
Give the oil a little flavor and a little color. You were saying when I like the farmer and I said, yeah, you hear them say, when the tomato ripe and well put, you hear them, red up the aisle, red up the aisle. So we are red up the aisle. And we're going to drop the onion in.
Yeah.
Then the carrot and everything else can just go in like. We are allowing the pumpkin and the carrot to tenderize.
How long did you boil the ackee for?
It all depends.
But this one?
This one maybe 15, 12 minutes because this is an ackee where freshly pick off the tree.
So now we're going to put the ackee in the pot.
The pumpkin and the carrot already sauteed and tenderized. The ackee already cooked. So this won't be much time.
So this is it in like a serving. It's rice and peas salad, ackee and the black eyed peas stew. Well, I just love ackee so much.